Hi, this is Military Modeler Paul with an update number 3, and this is going to be very short. So what you're looking at now is the chassis that I was working on, and what I've done is put 2 pair of tweezers on there, actually to hold the front bumper or fender, whichever one. Well, no, there is bumper on the front, so it actually drives. Now I left it there for about 10 minutes before I took it off, and then had a check, and it was all lined up lovely. And also I was looking at the fact of doors, and I think I'm talking about actually putting the doors into position now, and then you'll come back and see that later. And what I did then is, when you'll see it in a couple of seconds time, is the fact that the doors will be in place. And if you look at the actual chassis that we put on as the long segments on the outside, that's where the P goes, and it's on full view, so it was worth putting on. I'll be doing that when I bending and showing you that later. But now you can see the doors are in position, and what I did there is I actually pushed the door into place like that. It's a lovely chap, he's pointing, look. And basically I run the extra thin round the actual door frame. Just let it run, not too much, and it's solid. Now all those white bits you can see are actually solid now. So I've just been into the display area, the modelling area, and to the bench I should say, and checked them, and they're all solid, so they'll be okay. Now what I'm talking about now is that all that mesh stuff, and there is a P bit there. I think you saw that on the P set, but you will see it when I go to do it. But I've got to cut that bit off. Now I've got choices, always got choices. I can actually cut just the mesh areas out and leave the other bits solid plastic, and then thin them down a bit, and then put the other piece on. That might be the better idea, or just remove it completely. Look, it seems to say it doesn't actually mention removing anything, just says about placing it over the top. Well, to me that seems a bit pointless, so I'll be doing a bit of removing on that. So there you go. So that's what we've got for this. And this is a very short video, because if I'd known, I'd have put it on the end of the last one. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy modelling.